Hello students, today we are going to discuss about data types in Java. Java has two categories of data. First, primitive data types such as boolean, char, int, short, byte, long, float and double. Second one, non-primitive data types such as string, array, etc. Now, primitive data types. The data types which are independent of any other type are known as primitive data types. These types are also called basic data types. Primitive data types are predefined or built-in data types because the developers of Java have defined them. There are 8 primitive data types. First one, Boolean. Boolean data type represents only one bit of information, either true or false. Now, the second one is byte. The byte data type occupies 8 bit. The byte data type is useful for saving memory in large arrays. Its range is -128 to +127. Now, the third one is short. The short data type occupies 16 bit. Similar to byte, we use short to save memory in large arrays in situations where the memory savings actually matters. Its range is -32,768 to +32,767. Now the fourth point, int. The int data type occupies 32 bit. Its range is -2 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1. The fifth point is long. The long data type occupies 64 bit. Its range is -2 to the power 63 to 2 to the power 63 minus 1. Now the sixth point is float. The float data type is a single precision 32-bit floating point. We use float instead of double if we need to save memory in large arrays of floating point numbers. Its range is -3.4 e plus 38 to plus 3.4 e plus 38. Now here this is your e notation. Now what is e notation? E notation is a way to write numbers that are too large or too small to be concisely written in a decimal format. With e notation, the letter e represents times 10 raised to the power of, as for example, 7.09e8 equal to 7.09 multiplied by 10 to the power 8, and its value is this one. Now we'll see it through one small Java program. Now here is the program. Here you can see we have taken float n equal to 709 and 6 times 0.0 f. F here we have written because this is your float data type. Now if you compile and run it, you will be getting the answer 7.09e8. Now the seventh point is double. The double data type is a double precision 64-bit floating number. For decimal values, this data type is generally the default choice. Its range is -1.7 e plus 308 to 1.7 E plus 308. Our eighth point is char. The char data type is a single 16-bit Unicode character. Its range is this one. Now, non-primitive data types or reference data types. The reference data types will contain a memory address of variable value because the reference types won't store the variable value directly in memory. They are string, objects, arrays, etc. Thank you.